Good Morning Britain saw a new lineup today as Adil Ray and Ranvir Singh presented the show. Adil, 46, and Ranvir, 42, took over the reins as Ben Shephard announced he was leaving the ITV show. Instead, he will focus on fellow ITV show Tipping Point. Kate Garraway was also missing today, as she only presents the show Monday to Wednesday. It was announced yesterday that Adil and fellow GMB star Sean Fletcher will take over from Ben Shephard while he's away. Ben has confirmed he will return to the ITV show in September. Read more related articles. Kate confirmed on Wednesday's edition of Good Morning Britain is Ben Shephard's last day on the show. Chatting to her co-host, Kate, 52, said, "This is Ben's last day, you are going to have a bit of time off." Ben said that he would be filming Tipping Point, which has been on hiatus since the beginning of lockdown. He explained, "Yes, but it's no time off. Tipping Point is back at it. The set has had to change, due to COVID. I am not going to be here, but I am not going on a holiday." Read more related articles. I am going to be working but not in the studio. Taking a playful dig at her long-term pal, Kate jibed, "He calls it working but nobody thinks it is working." Just asking a few questions and loading a machine and giving away someone else's money. Good Morning Britain airs weekdays at 6 a.m. on ITV.